New day. Today I'm gonna go over how I actually frame my trade. Since I don't trade with a strategy anymore, I basically just let my experience and intuition choose the best quality setups. My only sell idea would be if price comes to this FVG, so that's our first rule. Second, we should get the market structure shift, which is looking like this. 3 to RR. This is the RR you should look for when trading on a trend, because we do not have yet enough confirmation that we're bearish. We're just looking at a counter trend because we also have the sell side here, which should get reached. So also on the second criteria will be if price reaches this area. Here first criteria is obviously price reaching the sell side, and second is gonna be a gap. Here I'm not gonna look for a market structure shift, I'm gonna look for a gap plus close above liquidity. 3, we can target at least this FVG here. Price reached our area. Now all we're waiting for is, since this low didn't tap this gap, I'm gonna wait for this FVG here to get close below, because what can happen is price comes here, closes below the low, but respects and rejects this bullish FVG and keeps going higher. We ended up coming a bit higher. What I was watching is how we behave to this bullish gap and how we behave to this order block right here. I wanted to see this order block get close below, because down candles in bullish order flow are usually respected. As we can see right here, the down candle was respected and we went higher, but I don't like this rejection. You know, I said I want to see at least this low get close below, because if we reject like this displacement is useless and we will keep going higher. Again, this is too bullish of a sign for me. Even though I feel like I want to be in a trade, I can't, bro. My intuition doesn't like this, so I'm not gonna take it. Also, I want you to remember that my plan is right here. You see, we had FVG reached, we had here typed market structure shift. Did we have it? We didn't, so why would I enter? You get profitable by respecting your plan, not breaking it. This is how profitable trading looks like. It's not entering a trade based on how you feel. And if you're struggling to be disciplined and stick to your rules, do not worry, bro. Do not worry, because it's a process. You have to break your rules and feel that pain of not sticking to your rules. Actually learn why sticking to your rules matters. And look what would have happened. And look what would have had happened. We would have taken a loss. For what? Because I was feeling that I need to be in a trade and I want to be in a trade. Fuck no, bro. Now we're reframing our trading session for New York. The best pair for me, AUD USD. Why? We have this really good FVG here, and we have a big liquidity level here, and we are also in premium prices. If we just draw Fibonacci on this range, we see this is a perfect area. If we do a bit lower on lower time frames, we see how much liquidity we actually have below this FVG, this 4-hour FVG. We have a lot of buy side liquidity. And one more reason why I'm confident that price will eventually drop hard from here is because we have this really huge gap. When gaps are this big, they usually act as liquidity. I'm gonna give an example on what 1.5 risk trade looks to me. So I like to have a clear trend. So in this case, let's say we're bearish, we raid liquidity, break structure lower strongly. Here, let's say we have a 4-hour FVG, inducement level before our FVG, we have sell side to actually target, and we are in premium prices. This would be my best setup, and this is essentially what's happening here. We have a raid on liquidity, we have a strong break of structure, we have sell side to target, we have an inducement level before our POI, and our POI is in 0507. This setup has like 80 to 90% win rate. After you get your market structure shift, targeting this low is easy money, bro. I've seen this setup play out so many times. This was a really clean New York reversal right here. We had a pretty clear established range. We had the liquidity here. We broke structure towards the downside. We had sell side to target, and we had an inducement level before this rejection block, which became basically our POI. And we also swept London highs into that POI. We targeted the range low. Just compare it, okay? From here to here, from here to here. I was watching AU, but we completely failed to break below this gap, so it invalidated my entry. And now if you look at GU, we reacted very strong off London highs, breaking this bullish gap. So this is a sign as a market structure shift for me. I entered off the 5-minute and 3-minute inverse FVG, and we're looking to target this FVG down here. So I'm still gonna hold. I'm gonna pause the recording real quick. I'm gonna go play some league and I'm gonna come back with an update as soon as I finish. So yeah, we ended up in a loss. I still thought it's a good trade. Surely the main reason it lost was because it was counter trend. This part right here of the trade was extremely good. Really like this part of the trade, but it only knew this part. If you were in bearish context, yeah, that would have made a lot of sense. If you were in bearish trend, this would have been a really high quality trade. But the fact that we were in a bullish scenario and this was a fake range, that's why it ended up losing. So even though I kind of knew this in the back of my mind and I said it's a counter trend trade, I still thought it's worth trading, but probably it's not. The main scenarios where you're gonna look for those New York reversals are when you are, for example, this is a bearish context, Asia and London are retracing and you're looking for that London high sweep right here, and here you're looking for trades with the trend. Important with the trend here, we were looking to trade with this range, but this range was false because we were obviously in bullish order flow. I'm fine with it. I'm completely fine because I knew it. I kind of wanted to try it and see if it works, and now I kind of learned that it's not worth really trading New York reversals counter trend. It's worth trading with the trend, yes, but counter trend is not really worth it. So was really annoying for me because this it's killing me mentally. Clearly is break even. It's a break even trader. I know it's a good sign because usually you have to go through being break even before you're being profitable, but I feel like it's easier for my mental when I'm losing because at least I'm seeing something and I'm improving. But when I'm breaking even, bro, it's really hard on me mentally because it's been like this for since November, so it's about 1 month and 1 week. If nothing happens, I swear to God, if this account is really my last chance. Because usually, bro, I passed phase 1 accounts in 2 or 3 weeks, and now I've been trading this account for 3 fucking months. I don't know, bro. My soul is tired. My soul is generally tired. I've been putting my soul into this shit for 2.5 years. I didn't do anything else. I just locked in on trading, and seeing me not move anywhere for 3 months is actually killing me. If I had a job, it would have probably been easier for my mental, but like this, I don't know, my soul is just tired. So, we'll see.